welcome back to our channel. My name is Sharan Sai.
And my name is Anya.
So today we are going to do lemony volcano
experiment.
Yeah,
So first we have this cup.
and baking soda. Pollution.
Now we have some lemon here.
Of course. Yeah.
Yellow food color. And now we have an wooden ice cream stick also.
And the main part, the volcano paper.
So first we're going to start by making this cup like this.
Upside down.
Yeah.
And now we should put it just like this.
And now we are going to put the lemon right
We
here.
should poke that first.
Oh yeah, right.
Like gently.
Be careful, just can split it. Like this.
All
Right here.
all that. Now we should put it right here.
Second thing is baking soda. We are going to put some baking soda right there. Let's open this.
Yeah. Oh, we have another batch.
Here's the package, but it is opened, so we need to be really careful right now, guys. Okay, I think let's keep it this right here. Yeah, and we have baking soda here. Take that. Yes, now. Taking up. Right?
Yeah. It's
Yes.
nice.
We are going to put some more.
Food coloring.
One more. And next will be food color. 3, 2, 1. Okay.
And 4 is enough.
Yeah, now we are going to put the liquid soap solution.
Yeah.
Out. Yeah, let's open it back. And it's time to. Is that enough? Yep, that's enough.
We need more baking soda, I think.
Yep.
Let's put fully like this.
Oh my goodness.
Let's put fully.
I think that would be too much. I'm going to just put all there.
Yeah.
It's not coming. Oh no, I think I'm spilling it out. Oh no, I just spilled out.
Now we can put some
Soap solution.
again. That would be enough, and we need to just do it.
And we are going to poke this. Okay, I hope I just won't break it out. Oh no. Yeah. I think it's like bubbling. Okay, actually it's bubbling.
Foam is coming.
Yeah. Oh no, it's some in your
And
Yep. Okay, let's keep on poking. Yes.
fine.
Dripping out, dripping out. Da-da-dum. Yeah, it's just.
Put the baking soda, yeah, of course.
Yeah, I think more baking soda.
Yep.
More
Just put
means
it.
more. I think that's enough. Now we can put some of that.
Yeah.
Soap
Salt.
solution.
It's just flowing away.
Yeah. I think we need to pick that lemon up. I think we've got to mix it.
We can poke it right now.
It's bubbling in my hands. I think it's working, guys. Yes, it is working finally. We did it! Yay, we did it! Yes! Yeah.
Thank you for watching.
Yeah, thank you for watching.
Please, if you like this video, please like,
Share
and subscribe. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.